Yung mga uniforme na nakita sa Porac na may People's Liberation Army seal is an indication that Chinese military people are running the show in these facilities. Sinisinimula na po tayo ng kanilang operasyon.
I don't want to be emotional, Your Honor, but I think, may I say with this statement that I think it's high time for us, the government officials, interagency, especially the Filipino people, na sana talaga magkaisa maintindihan yung problema.
This is mind conditioning. Naalala niyo po ba yung mga tarpaulin na ganito na kung saan gagawin tayong probinsya ng China? This is a mind setting. This is mind conditioning. Ilan pa kaya ang alis go sa ating mga elected officials? Ilan pa kaya sa kanila o sa amin o sa atin dito ang supported directly or indirectly by the wide, comprehensive mobilization of their different elements to perpetrate their intention to control our nation and invade us without firing a single bullet.
To protect our national interest. Yes, I agree that there is a national security implication.
And this book that you have given me, the silent invasion that is happening in Australia as well, the China's influence in Australia, the same thing is happening in this country. Pero marami po sa ating mga kasamahan ang bulok. Most of your years in your career ay sa Intel ka. So basically, alam mo yung nangyayari sa sa Region 3 about sa Pogo.
Sort of, Your Honor.
Nauna, pumutok na po to, Chief PNP, no? At yung pong nararamdaman during that time that you tap your own people, kasi NCR to, tapos si IDG to ng NCR, itong ginamit po ninyo doon sa operation. And it was successful. As a matter of fact, naging successful po yun. Now, we can be told that yung nasa intelligence ninyo po, gathering nyo, napatunayan nyo na napakalaki nitong problema. Di po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. And in fact, I was touched by your opening statement, and I'm happy to hear with that opening statement, sir, because I think it's high time for the Filipino people to know what is happening in our country, Your Honor.
Indeed, meron kang mga nalalaman na hindi namin nalalaman na maaari mong i-share sa amin. Because this entails national security. And maybe a lot of our PNP officials, maybe hindi pa po nila alam kung gaano kagrabe itong kinalalagyan natin ngayon. Nakita po natin yung problema na kinakaharap. Can you kindly share to us now that it is being exposed to a lot of our countrymen, yung nangyayari sa ating bansa? Because hindi lamang to ang elemento, di ba? You have this moral obligation to our people even now that you are retired. Because you have gathered a lot of intelligence. Please share it to us.